right, go Olive. It's going, it's looking good. Like Olive, watch. Woo! All right, get another one. Roll it. Gentle, gentle. Yeah. Gotta wait for it hits. Woo! Good job, Olive! Oh, no. Nope. Brother's turn. Go sit with Dada. Oh, Caleb. Nice.
Can I see it?
We watch it after. Do one more for this frame, and then we got 3 more after that. All right, pick one out, bud. Let's go. Roll, roll. That's where it's at, huh? Not that time. All right, it's gonna reset, and then you get 3 more. Oh, gentle, bud. For gentle roll, all right? Nice.
I'm gonna try the one hand.
Okay, nice and gentle though. There you go. Ooh, it's gonna hit at least one. Nice. Oh, gent. It's hard. Get that last one. Woo! All right, it's got to reset. Nice. All right, Callan, last one. All right, take it. It's looking good, Callum. It's looking good.